Hello, this is Ask Anastasia, and I want to show you one more house today. This is 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. I'm not sure if this one belongs to this house or it's separate property. Most likely it's separate property, but it's listed for 75,000. It's wonderful day outside. Let me show you the property, how it's look. This is outside, look perfect. So, as I told you, I'm not sure if this belongs to this house or it's separate. It's maybe. It's kind of really interesting. I'm not sure what all these buildings that belongs to this house or not. Okay, let's go inside. By the way, neighbor stopped me, asking me why I'm opening this door, so it's kind of safe neighborhood. I like it. Okay, this is not the entrance, it's side door, but we are getting into one room. I believe they call this bedroom. And this house is sold as ready to move in. This is bathroom. Okay. And this is the kitchen. It's kind of dark and I cannot turn on the light, so I'm so sorry if you cannot see. This is one more room. It's really dark and blocked, and they block all the windows in the kitchen, but it's kind of okay, I would say. And it has one more room. This is the main entrance. If we enter from front, this is a door, and this is the living room. All look good here, and I don't know, some kind of decoration maybe. And let's try to see where is the second floor. So it's room number 1, probably room number 2, bathroom here, kitchen, and one more room from here. So I would say 2 bedrooms downstairs, and we're going upstairs. Does it look like move-in ready house to you? And it's for sale for 75. Okay, carpet definitely need to be replaced. Stairs and one more room here. And it has some cracks. I'm not sure if house is shifting or they just didn't do anything for a very long time. You never know. Okay, this is just closet. I was hoping to see a bathroom here, but nope. Okay, there is no bathroom on the second floor. Let's check this door just to be sure. Oh, there is a toilet on the second floor, but no bathroom. Okay. So 2 bedrooms upstairs, 2 bedroom downstairs, and basement. Hello? It's light there, that's why I'm calling. Oops. Okay, that's how it's look. There is one more toilet there. Basement definitely need work. And this is they leave washer and dryer. It's kind of shower right here, kind of toilet right there. washer dryer. This look new. Water heater look new too. Kind of getting paranoid. I'm by myself here and all these noises freaking me out. You know, never know what you're gonna run into in this type of houses. So what do you guys think? Does it worth 75,000 in your opinion? I don't know. I don't think my client would like it.